Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. This is the AM Trader, and just gonna go to the recap real quick. Last money $177. So trader on AMC. I'm gonna try to make this quick. My kids are getting very annoyed, and so AMC made $1.40 there. Why did I trade this? Drop below VWAP. This is sympathy play, of course, from yesterday. It was creating higher lows, thinking that it was going to continue going up, breaking VWAP and go up. Nope, didn't do that. Instead of drop, bought some more right down here, and then exit as it pop, or sorry, add more here and exit as it breaking up above. Couldn't wait until VWAP. Should have waited, but it's okay. Yep, $1.40 there. Ontx is the next one. We're gonna go this quick. Ontx is I think they had some news, but again, I don't really look for news. With the Ontx jump spiked, was waiting for the VWAP. Should have gotten it right here. Didn't, chased it, and bought here and finally sold it up there. Not much, but I mean, 1200. I got in with 1200 because it's only 83 cents, 82, 83 cents, and so had to go in with bigger share, 1200, and made $10. And so yeah, I had confidence because it's above VWAP, and that's the reason why I got in with bigger shares. Tblt is next. Tblt is a downward direction, and as it start curling up, here is where I traded. Curled up, got in with 100 shares, drop 100 shares, add more 100 shares as it popped, sold it. This is again, it's under review up. Don't want to wait too long. Once you get hit green, you should just sell it. And so that's what happened with Tblt. Never touched VWAP, so forget it, right? If you wait, if you're thinking that it's gonna touch VWAP, it's not gonna happen here. But yeah, that's day trading. You gotta be fast. You gotta look at every situation, right? Let me just show you the shares. 81 million shares, so it's able to be manipulated. Next one is ULBI. ULBI is where I made most of the money in the morning, but of course lost some of it. Here, now ULBI is above VWAP. I like that. Drop, was hoping that it was going to touch VWAP, didn't, and so got in right there, sold, got in more, sold, got in as a drop lower, and then sold at that high there. 1130 was the high, and so I sold. I got in with 50 shares here. If you guys can see that, just pause the video, guys, if you guys think that I'm going too fast. So yeah, there's 50 shares here getting in as it dipped. Sold 20 shares here and sold the rest over here, and then I got FOMO. Didn't hold my shares. Should have held it maybe, I don't know. But yeah, it starts spiking, but 1151 there, average of 1151 with 50 shares. It dropped, but more on the VWAP, hoping that it was gonna bounce. Didn't bounce, drop, cut my loss at 1112. So that's ULBI. Lost $17 there, made 22, 4, 25, 26 something earlier, but lost $17. Next one is MTO. This is my losses. This is the reason why I don't usually trade on intraday. Okay, pay attention, guys. Should have gotten it right here, didn't. Saw this pop, but VWAP chased it, 167, poof, drop, right? You're hoping that it's gonna be a continuation and just continue going up, but nope. I should have cut my losses here, didn't. Was stubborn, and then I should have exit here because I was kind of even here, right? Didn't. And yeah, look at that drop, guys. Look at that drop. Same the gap up, same drop. Look at that. So basically, pretty much the same guy that pumped this stock up and just sold it. He was like, nope, not doing it. It's not going upward. This was one of the actually the top of the scanner and top gapper. HGSH is next. I lost $131 there, 1,200 shares. Huge shares. Stupid. But yeah, I'll call it what it is. That's some BS crap, BS stock there. Anyway, so pissed off because look at that, $131. Never mind. This is the second loser, biggest loser. SGSH. When you think that it's gonna be a U-shaped pattern or a cup and handle pattern, you got in right here thinking that it's gonna break and continue, at least touch the 261. Didn't. Instead, it dropped. Should have cut my loss right here. VWAP. That's the thing, guys. Be disciplined. Follow your play. Your you like. I know this. Like I should have cut my losses here and VWAP. Instead, held it too long, dropped lower, and look, never rebound. So yeah, lost money on that. So you be disciplined. Be disciplined in cutting your losses quick, right? Next one is ARPO. ARPO. Now ARPO I traded yesterday, made $500 out of that. But today I was not focused on ARPO at all. Why? Because it was low volume. I didn't like the low volume because low volume means someone can control that stock, and so I was not in ARPO in the pre-market. Instead, I saw this gapping up, right, upper direction. Got in, got FOMO, drop lower. I was like, okay, VWAP, see if it holds. It got in VWAP, it held VWAP there, and then as it gapped up, I sold it right away. I don't want to hold it longer, guys. Today is not so great day. Anyway, the rest here, TPGY and DICA and EVFM, they are my long swing trade. Let's look at TPGY. Small shares on TPGY, only 10 shares, averaging at $11, $12. Why am I trading this? Now, if you're looking at swing trade, you gotta look a long-term time frame. So the high was $18, so drop all the way to $11.50. I believe that $11.80 is great area there to get in. Targets probably around half of this, maybe $15, and then I would cut my loss right here, maybe around 10, maybe $11.50 or lower. Maybe $11 is my loss, my stop limit, and so targeting that area there, $16, $15, and hopefully it goes up there within a week. And so that's TPGY. Next one is DISCA. Now, and none of this is an advice of telling you what to invest. Okay, so don't get in because you see that it's the lowest. This one's also the lowest. Went up to 39, dropped to 32. DICA is discovery channel, and so my target is right here in the half area there, $36 area. If it's drop below $32, I will cut my loss. So that's DISCA. You know what? I probably should yeah. So $36 is my target, price target. I will create an alert. Crosses. And create. So this will give me notification through my syntax. All of them. All right, so that's created. Let me go back to TPGY real quick. TPGY. TPGY, my target is around $15 to sell. That's good right there. Create alarm. Crosses. It should be. Come on, guys. There we go. Create. Loss is around $11. Crosses below, that's fine. Create. Let me go back to DICA. You gotta be disciplined, guys. That's the key to beating this game, right? My average 33, so my exit will be 32. Oof, my kids. Or actually, yeah, 32. Let's do 32. 32.50 is probably better. Right around there. Okay. Create. All right. Next one is EVFM. EVFM, same thing. You know, saw this dropping. I like that it's you know, down here in 79 cents. I got it in 80 cents with 100 shares. So you know, now with this, profit targets probably around, maybe around here, $1 maybe. So we'll see. This is for me, it's not that great looking, but if it's, you know, 70 cents, 75 cents, if it worked out, then I know my strategy works. But if it doesn't, then yeah, no good. Back to the drawing board. Let's see, create alert. Crosses below, yep. And the last one is the EXPR. This is an express stock. EXPR. I could probably sell it. No. Now EXPR. Let's see. It's a momentum. Not really. Let me see. Target is probably 412. You know, if this continue an upward trend, right? It's it has the ability to go. So we'll see. Let's see, 180 days, 4 hour. Oof, you see that? So target's probably $6 maybe, or $5 would be a great area. 450, yeah, 450. 450. Crosses, and then if it goes below, what is this, 370 is my entry. I'm gonna get out at 3. Maybe 325, 320. Yeah, alert me. All right, guys, and so that's my recap for today. Here's the recap. $177 loss today, red day this week. From yesterday, $322, $325. Hopefully I hold it, not lose all of it. But you know, still a beginner trader, 2 years in trading. We'll see how it goes. This month alone, I'm up $500. Yeah, So today I am 70% winning rate. Anyway, hopefully you guys learned something. If you guys have, please like and subscribe and hit the alert bell if you guys want to be notified on the next video. So yep, take care guys, stay green. I'm gonna go to sleep. You guys have a good one. See you guys tomorrow.